Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, my name is Molly and thank you for stopping by. So for this video, I'm going to be doing 4 chicken marinades so that I can have all kinds of different flavored chicken ready to go. And I'm actually going to freeze these so that I can just pull them out of the freezer. It'll be a nice, quick and easy weeknight dinner that I don't have to worry too much about prepping. So I'm gonna get all of this ready to go and stock the freezer up. So I'm gonna use some really cool things today. I have this stand that I'm gonna put my bag on. So the bag just clips into these little clips and stands up, and I'll be able to put all my ingredients into the bag without any mess at all. And I'm gonna be using these bags. They are gallon size reusable bags. I got them on Amazon. I will link them. These are so great. Dishwasher safe, so really easy to clean and really great for the freezer. They stack really well if you're gonna make a bunch of different freezer like dump meals. These are really great. And then I have this really cool chalk pen by Sharpie. So I got this on Amazon too, of course. So I'm gonna label each bag so that I know what it is, and this just washes off with water. So I'm gonna be using all these cool things in my video today. I will link them all in the description if you wanna check any of these out. They're all from Amazon. So I have my big pack of chicken, and I'm gonna do my 4 marinades. I'm gonna do an Asian marinade, a fajita marinade, I'm gonna do curry, and I'm gonna do a balsamic. So 4 different ones. These are really great. You can serve them with a side of rice or cauliflower rice, side of broccoli or any other kind of veggie. So really great to have on a busy weeknight. We're super busy right now, so I love having all this stuff ready to go. So I'll show you how I'm gonna prep these 4 chicken marinades.
All right, so first I'm going to label my freezer bags with my chalk pen. So this, it just writes onto the bag really great. Like I said, it just washes off with water. So these bags are reusable. I love these. So I'm gonna label each bag with each flavor of marinade that I'm gonna have. I will put the recipe for each of these marinades in the description box. They're all really great. But so these are all gonna be labeled and ready to go to have all the chicken and all the marinade ingredients inside. So the first one I'm going to do is going to be the Asian chicken marinade. So I have my bag. I'm going to put it into my stand, so it just clips into these little hooks, and then it will keep the bag standing up, and I don't have to worry about the bag falling over, anything falling out of the bag. So this stand is really great. I love these for using these bags and any recipes that you're gonna be storing into a freezer bag or a plastic bag. So these are really great. So I'm gonna add my chicken in, and then I'm gonna add all of my ingredients. Like I said, I will link all of the ingredients in the description box. All right, so all my ingredients are in, they're all in the bag, so I'm going to seal it, And then I'm going to kind of mix the ingredients all around so that they're mixed and they coat the chicken evenly. So I'm just gonna kind of squeeze it all around, and then I am going to make sure I have all of the air out of the bag. So I'm going to reopen it and then make sure that the air comes out. We don't want to freeze it and have lots of air in there. That'll give it all a bunch of freezer burn. We definitely don't want that. So I'm gonna get all the air out and then reseal it up, and this marinade is ready to go. So my next one's going to be curry. I love this recipe. I like to serve it with a side of either rice or cauliflower rice, and also a veggie. I love broccoli, it's one of my favorites. So this meal is really great with curry chicken and then rice and broccoli. So I'm gonna get this marinade going, and I will also link all of these ingredients in the description box. Alright, so my third marinade is going to be a balsamic chicken marinade. So I'm going to add my chicken into the bag. I'm going to use some olive oil, balsamic vinegar. I have some minced garlic and some dried basil. So I will add all these ingredients into the bag, and this one will be ready to go. And my fourth and final marinade to use up the whole pack of chicken is going to be a fajita marinade. Super easy. I'm just going to use pre-made fajita seasoning. You can definitely use your own if you'd like. And then I'm going to have some olive oil and some lime juice. So this will be really great. I like to serve this with some bell peppers. I make it on a sheet pan when ready to cook it. So this is really good, makes great fajitas. So I will link the description, the recipe for this one as well. So check that out if you want to make it. It's so yummy.
All right, so I have my 4 chicken marinades ready to go. I have my 1 big batch of chicken that I have portioned out into 4 different portions, so 4 different flavors to use that big pack of chicken. I have my Asian marinade, my balsamic, curry, and fajita. So really great marinades for these chickens. I have each bag labeled with my really awesome wet erase marker. So it's all labeled so I know which one is which. So it's really great. I'll put the recipe for all of these different marinades in the description box, and I'll also link everything that I used, these really awesome freezer bags, the stand that I love to use when I'm making things that need to go into a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag, and also the pen that I've used to label my bags. I will link all of that in the description. I got everything on Amazon. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for a couple of hours so it lets the marinade really set up into the chicken. Then I'll store these in the freezer. They stack really well, so really great on freezer space. So I'm gonna freeze those, and then I like to pull them out the night before we're gonna eat these, and then put in the refrigerator. And then I like to usually cook these on a sheet pan in the oven with a side of vegetables, side of rice, a little salad. So these are really great to have different flavors ready to go. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.